fall time and messy hair. You know, that's how you do it. 'Cause I did not feel like combing through my hair today. What's up guys, my name is Tammy and you have reached my Young Fully Employed channel. So as you can see, I'm feeling it. It's fall time. Fall time is here. And literally that's the only reason I made this intro to this video, because I just wanted to announce that fall time was here. So yeah, it's been a minute since your girl made a makeup video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to see how I get this look, then yeah, let's just get right into this video.
Up, but it's honest and it's potent like cologne. You're a bottle, an apartment. Girl, I had you, now you're gone. That's why it's kinda hard to talk right now. I'm in a pool of my own thoughts, diving deeper, it's hard to see ya. I'm swimming with sharks right now. I need you to help me out. Alone in the dark right now. I need you to pull me out. Shallow, shallow. I need you to help me out. I'm swimming with sharks right now. I need you to pull me out. Not a rock star, just a loser at the bar. In a room full of people who don't care about who you are. That's why it's